Patterns in Nature by Jennifer Rosines Roy and Gregory Roy. Step outside. Nature is all around you. Plants, birds, animals, and insects make the world their home. Look closely, and you'll notice something cool. Patterns. A pattern is a set of things that are repeated again and again in a certain order. Patterns can be made with shapes, lines, and numbers. It's a beautiful day for a nature walk. Grab a jacket and let's discover more about patterns. Our search begins in the backyard. First, you'll see a tall tree. It is covered with green leaves. There is no special order to the leaves. They do not form any pattern. Pick up one twig from the ground and pick one leaf from the tree. Lay them down side by side. Place another twig and another leaf next to them in a line. Twig, leaf, twig, leaf. We're making a pattern. Keep putting down more twigs and leaves, following the pattern. This is called a repeating pattern. The objects repeat themselves over and over. Rows of tasty vegetables grow in the garden. Some of the vegetables form patterns. The different sizes make up this pattern. The pattern rule is large, small. A pattern rule describes how things are arranged. This row of colorful peppers is a pattern too. The pattern rule is red, green, green, yellow. Patterns can be made from different numbers of objects. We can create patterns using sets of green beans. Let's use the pattern rule 4, 3, 1. Drop the beans in this basket to save for later. There's no pattern in the beans now. Look, a ladybug is sitting on this flower. Here is a pattern of ladybugs. The pattern rule is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is called a growing number sequence. A sequence is a series of numbers in order. This sequence grows from small to large. Each ladybug has 2 wings. The pattern rule for the ladybug's wings is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's also a growing number sequence. This ladybug is spreading her wings. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away! There are lots of rocks in the backyard. Let's make a pattern of different color stones. White, gray, white, black is the pattern rule here. Now let's make a number sequence that counts by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. That rocks! Good thing you're wearing a jacket. It's starting to rain. But up in the sky is a rainbow. The colors on a rainbow are always in the same order. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. A rainbow is a pattern of colors across the sky. Did you know nature follows a pattern? The seasons repeat themselves year after year in the same order. Spring, summer, fall, winter, spring, summer, fall, winter. Nature looks different as each season passes. In springtime, many creatures come out from their winter homes. This butterfly was tucked in a cocoon, but now it's out. The butterfly is symmetrical. Its left wing has the same spotted pattern as the right wing. When a pattern is the same on both sides of an object, the object has symmetry. Other things in nature have symmetry. Snowflakes have the same pattern on both sides. And this leaf has symmetry too. Patterns are all around us. They make nature beautiful and they help us make sense of our world. What patterns do you see in nature?